Hey everyone, today we are going to look at LeetCode 132 break a palindrome. So we have given an input palindrome and we need to do is we need to replace exactly one character with any lowercase English letter so that the result becomes a not palindrome. So in this example you can see this is the string and there might be few things which can happen such that we can replace this A with Z, or we can do like this one. For this one we can replace it with A, or we can, instead of this C, we can have this A, and all of them will be non-palindrome, but like the lexicographical smallest will be this one. So we have returned this, our answer is this. And there is one more case. If it this if there is no way possible that we can make a particular string not palindrome, so we can just remove that one, and that will be only one case when our palindrome will be of length A. So let's see how we can code this out. So this will be the code, so let's start from the beginning. So first, I'm taking the length in the n, and this is the base case. Like if we have either one A, B, C, D, a single letter, then for all of that, like we will be returning uh, empty string, because like there is no way possible we can either replace it with someone. So this is the base case. So let's see some examples and see what is the pattern which we are following exactly. So if we are talking about this example, we can see from the beginning the maximum is B. So the minimum lexicographical string which we can return from this is just replace this B by A. Okay, then we will have that one. The second thing will be, if we are having this string, so instead of Z we will just remove it by A, because that's the first maximum, and in this also we will just replace it with by A. So what we are doing exactly, we are just replacing all uh, the first maximum value with A. So this is what we have to do. So I have taken a max, which is 0, which will represent whether we have found uh, any other element, other character which is A. So what I'm doing, if it is A, I'm just skipping. Otherwise, like I'm noting down, I am marking my uh, max as 1, and I'm noting down the position. And there is one more thing which I have done here. So I have skipped if that is the middle element. Why I have done that is because, like, if all the elements are A, like if we are talking about this example, or this example, so for this example, even if we'll change this to A, then this will not become palindrome. If we'll change this to A, this will also not become palindrome. So instead of replacing the middle element, we have to skip. So whenever we are having the middle, I mean, um, if the middle element is this A, and there is one more check, like for this case, like there is no middle, so we need to check, like we will be having only three characters if the n will be odd, and n by 2 will be I, uh, which is the middle. So that so we won't process that, so we won't be processing that. And after that, like we have computed, so there can be two things: either like we didn't find the maximum, or we found it. So if we didn't find the maximum, for example in this case we didn't find the maximum, so what we will do, we will just replace the last string with B. So what I have done is I have just replaced the last string with B. So this even if it's this, so for all it will be having B, and here also B. So all of them will give A and B. Now the second thing is, like wherever we have found the maximum element, for example A X A. So this is one palindrome, and like this is the first maximum. So we will just replace wherever we have found the first maximum with A. So we will just uh, First, I've taken this index, like this is the index where I found. So I have taken this substring and this substring, and I've just added a in between. So this is the whole code. I hope you will understand, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.